Here's a little hack if you're starting a cannabis brand in 2023. So a little thing that I observed in launching one of my brands is if you really want to get out there and connect with the right people, pay attention to who those people you want to connect with are in your area, in your industry, and see who they're getting their photography done, their video and photography work done. And most likely, they're going to tag those people, and those videos and photographer people are going to have their own IG and their own way to contact through their website or whatever the case may be. So reach out to them, book a session with them, no matter how much they charge. They're obviously doing quality work if the top tier brands and other influencers are using them. And this is the objective of this hack. It's got to be the photographer that's connected to these people. So hire them to do a photo shoot with you, to do a photo shoot for your brand, to do a video shoot for you, whatever the case may be, whatever their expertise is. And then in that case, build some rapport with them, show them what your brand's about, get them on board, show them that you're really there, deliver a quality brand to the people. And when they see that you're there and you're invested in your brand and they're on board for the brand and they see your quality and your dedication, now you can start talking to them about future photo shoots, about future projects, and mention, hey, who do you got in your network? Maybe some influencers we can do cross promotions with. I saw that you were doing photo shoots at this event. Maybe we can get a sponsorship opportunity at that event. So there's a lot of key things that these photographers are at, not even just people, but they're connected with promoters, with major events, with other stores, dispensaries. They're just part of the community. So tap in with these key community people. And not only that, but you're benefiting them. You're helping to contribute to the community by buying their services. And I don't mean buying like they're selling you something, but I mean you're contributing to the grassroots movement of the cannabis industry. So these people are important. You need them to launch a brand. You need them to you need that visual aspect to connect with your consumers. So these photographers and video people, they're very important. So find the best ones out there, connect with them, get some work done with them. Don't be afraid to invest in your brand, to spend money wisely. Don't spend it frivolously, spend it wisely on things you need, especially for marketing, branding. Don't cut corners on that. However, don't spend it stupidly either. Be smart about it, plan it out, have a plan of attack developed. And if you need more insight on that, I got a lot of great videos on my Hi Chris channel. So go through that. There's tons of stuff on there about branding, about marketing, about working under other people's licenses. And if you need more info than that, we got the branding masterclass coming out. Click the link below, hichris.com, and that we take you through step by step on how to build, launch, scale, and operate a licensed cannabis brand without having to own the license. And that's really the way to be successful in this, is don't even waste your time with the license. Now, this process is definitely in depth. That's why we had to develop a course to show you how to do it. And it shows you the ins and outs, the nuances of it. So go to the website, hichris.com, sign up to the newsletter, pay attention when that comes out. If you're launching a brand, it's a perfect program for you. Other than that, pay attention to all the great free content I have on my YouTube. There's tons of great info on there, and that's really going to be a lot of foundational content for you to get your start. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next time.